Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to rename your iPhone for connectivity. If you want to make your iPhone easier to identify when using your AirDrop, Bluetooth, personal hotspot or connecting to other devices, you can change in its name in setting. First, you need to open your setting app. From here, scroll a bit down until you find this general and tap onto this general. And here you can select this about icon here. And after that you can select to this name in the top, and here you can simply select to the name that you want to change, and you can select to this bottom right corner, and that is it. Your new device name will now appear when connecting via Bluetooth, AirDrop, personal hotspot, Finder and other supported devices. That's how to rename your iPhone for connectivity and device identification. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful.